Hello friends, welcome to UpTech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD, in our previous video we have drawn this drawing. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out, it is in the I button. For this video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF from our website. Download link is given in description below. So for today's video, apply dimensions to this drawing. First of all, you have to make certain settings regarding dimension styles. So type command Dimstyle, enter, and under modify tab, under line tab, make changes to extend beyond beam line 1. Then under symbols and arrows tab, make changes arrow size 2. Next under text tab, make changes text height 3. And then check ISO standard radio button. Next under text placement, change vertical above. And next offset from dim line, change it to 1. Next under fit tab, check draw dim line between extension line radio button. Next under primary units, change precision to 0. These are the settings to be done in this video for apply dimensions. Next, to apply dimensions to this drawing, take linear command from annotate tab and click first point, second point, drag mouse outward and then click. Again, to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. First click, second click and drag mouse outward. Next, to apply linear command between these two center line, again press space button from keyboard. First click, second click, drag the mouse outward. Again, to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. First click, second click and drag mouse outward and then click. Again, to repeat linear command, press space button from keyboard. First click, second click and drag mouse outward for placement of dimensions and then click. Next, again to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. First click, second click and drag mouse outward for placement of dimensions. Next, take radius command from annotate tab and then click arc for radius, drag the mouse outward and then click for placement. Next, again to repeat previous command, that is radius command, press space button from keyboard. First click and drag mouse outward for placement of dimensions. Next, again to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. Select arc and drag mouse outward. Next, take diameter command from annotate tab. First click and drag mouse outward for placement and then click. Next, to repeat previous command from annotate tab, press space button from keyboard and click, drag mouse outward. As there are 8 holes in this drawing, double click these dimensions. Text editor dialog box will be open. Then type 8 holes and then close text editor dialog box. Next, again take diameter command from annotate tab and select circle, drag mouse outward for placement of dimensions. Next, there are 6 holes in this drawing. Double click these dimensions and type 6 holes and then close text editor dialog box. Next, take diameter command from annotate tab. First click, drag mouse outward for placement. Next, to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. First click, second click. Next, again to repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard. First click and second click for placement of dimensions. So in this fashion we have applied dimensions to this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button for more such cool stuff, and I wanna thank you all for watching. Bye bye, take care.